this is Miss Shalom. I'm here for another recorder video. Today I'm going to be showing you the song Jingle Bells. Jingle Bells uses the notes G, A, B, C, and high D. First I'll play through the song. So the first phrase starts like this. B, 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 D, G, A, B. So the second half of that is what's tough. It goes B, D, G, A, B. Let's just try that part there. Ready? Here you go. B, D, G, A, B. My turn. And now together. One last time. Here we go. Now let's just add those B's at the beginning. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, here we go. Try that with me. 1, 2, here we go. One, two, here we go. All right, so the second phrase starts with C, and it goes C, 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 B, B. Let's just do that a little much. 1, 2, here we go. Let's do it again. 1, 2, here we go. One more time. 1, 2, here we go. Next part of that phrase is B, 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 A, B, A, D. Sounds like this. Try that with me. 1, 2, go. And again we go. So let's put that phrase together. It starts with those C's. C, 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 B, 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 A, B, A, D. Let's put that together, that second phrase. 1, 2, here we go. Let's do that again. 1, 2, here we go. First phrase happens again. So you already have that part. And this last phrase is very similar to the second one. It goes C, 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 B, 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 D, D, C, A, G. Okay, so that last part is probably the trickiest. B, B, D, D, C, A, G. Try that with me. Ready? Here we go. And again. Ready? Here we go. So now we're going to put that last phrase together, starting with all those B's, or sorry, C's. 1, 2, here we go. Let's do that again. 1, 2, here we go. And one more time. 1, 2, here we go. So now we're going to put all 4 phrases together. Okay? 1, 2, here we go. Happy practicing!